Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, pull the release. It's down here underneath. Release the secondary, the safety latch. It's over here. Squeeze it up. It's got hood struts. Check the oil. The dipstick is right here. It's got a yellow handle. Pull it out. Wipe it off. Reinstall it and check it. Do this after the car's been sitting for a few minutes. And the oil's drained into the pan. So after you reinstall it and then take the dipstick out, you can see our hash marks here. So the oil should be just on these hash marks here. This is just a tiny bit low, maybe 1/4 of a quart. You can stand to add a little bit of oil to it, but we're going to change this oil anyways. If you need to top it off, we'll put the dipstick back. To remove the oil cap here, it tells you the weight and kind of oil. Just unscrew it. Takes about a half a turn to lock it. Add the appropriate amount of oil, then recheck at your dipstick, and you're all set. And then to reinstall this, it just goes in and turns once and locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.